Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. Hey you guys, you may have seen this Vitamix model at your membership store, and it's been sort of out of my reach to offer it to you. Now it's the Vitamix Venturist V1200. Now of course, things change with time, and not only am I able to offer this model to you, Vitamix provided me a Henry exclusive package for you guys, and we'll cover this in a moment. The Venturist V1200 is basically an extension of the Vitamix Ascent line. Now some features they share amongst each other. Now like all Vitamix machines, you get variable speed control, start and stop switch, and dedicated pulse. And you also get a digital timer that allows you to program your blend time, which is helpful if you create the same recipe daily and you never have to worry about over blending. Now you simply press up and down to choose your blend time. And just like the Vitamix Ascent, the Venturist is also compatible with the Self-Detect 20-ounce blending cup and the ever-popular 8-ounce blending bowl. The Vitamix Venturist V1200 comes in a reconditioned package complete with a 64-ounce container, 20-ounce Self-Detect blending cup with blades, tamper, recipe book, and a full 5-year warranty. Now the Henry exclusive package comes with all of that, plus the Vitamix Perfect Blend Scale included. Continuing with my summer recipes, I made this delicious and easy strawberry vinaigrette dressing to go with my crispy kale salad using the Vitamix Perfect Blend Scale. And this is why it's a Henry exclusive accessory included with the Venturist V1200. It's our theme product today, so let's get started. The cool thing about the Vitamix Perfect Blend app is that it shows full-size pictures of what your recipe should look like and a nice way to present it to your guests. When you're done, shrink it back and you can view the ingredients necessary to create the recipe. When you're ready, press blend. And I chose the 20-ounce blending cup, and you can see it glowing waiting for me to place the 20-ounce cup onto the Perfect Blend Scale. The first ingredient are fresh strawberries. Now notice the app is color coded and increases in real time as I place the ingredients in the cup. Now this is way too easy, you guys. Simply continue adding ingredients until it reaches the top, and the app goes to the next ingredient. Next, the app is asking for black pepper. Just adding a few sprinkles is all it takes. Now I'm adding salt. Now the recipe calls for sea salt, but I'm adding kosher salt. Now with salt, it's really a personal choice. Next is Italian parsley. I'm using cilantro. Now fresh basil leaves. And some chives. Now I rough chopped them so they would easily fit in the cup. And once again you guys, notice the color-coded ingredients on the app. Pretty cool. Fresh garlic cloves. Add as much until the app stops you. Now it's asking for lemon juice. I'm just going to keep pouring until the app rises to the top. Next is rice vinegar, and you can pour it right from the bottle without measuring. Now I'm going to attach the blades. And I'm turning it over and giving it a little shake first so the ingredients will mix easily. Now that I've placed the cup on the Vitamix, notice the timer automatically showing 35 seconds for blending. The app wirelessly commands this function. And now the app just tells me to press the start button. Now you guys, take notice to the blend cycle chart on the app as it moves forward. It commands the Vitamix to speed up midway. The blend time on the Vitamix is in perfect sync with the blend cycle on the app. Now once it counts down, the app will wirelessly stop the blend. Now you guys, see how simple that was? It's really that simple, but we're not completely done. Now I'm pouring the strawberry vinaigrette onto my salad, and notice the Perfect Blend app is tracking the calories serving in real time. Now, I'm pouring more because I like a lot of dressing, okay? But the app continues to count the calories so I will know how much I'm consuming. Now all I have to do is tap the button on the scale to tell the app I'm done, and now my dinner salad is complete. So, who's the Perfect Blend scale for? Anyone who wants a complex recipe done perfectly every time. You don't have to be a good cook to use it. You guys watch me create the strawberry vinaigrette with the app telling me what to do. Now, on the app, you see the strawberry vinaigrette number 2. Now that's a copy from the original, which allows me to customize the amounts because some recipes are not designed for every size blending cup. Now it doesn't take a big learning curve to use this. The results will be an easy creation and your guests will think you took all day to make it, but you know the real truth. You can order the Henry exclusive Certified Reconditioned Vitamix Venturist V1200 with Perfect Blend scale package using the links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Alright you guys, it's been a wild ride, and thank you for supporting Blending with Henry throughout the years. Take care.